everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anjali this side, and you are here with Anjali. So I'm starting a series here. Series is like I'm preparing for my interview, of course. So this channel is basically for my interview purpose, so that I can make interviewer to understand my code in better way and to explain my code what is my thinking. Okay, in a row in a raw way. Okay. So in this, my first series topic is recursion. I have also studied the array strings. These are the topics I have already studied last to last year, but I was not polished right now. So for my improvement, I had made this channel and started making the lead code day of the lead code of the question uploaded. But now I will also start uploading lead code other questions. So first topic is recursion. So in this topic, my first question is this. In this string to integer. In this question, we have we have to convert a string to 32-bit signed integer. The algorithm for this is first we have to remove the white spaces, leading white spaces, then sign what is the signed value of the string, and then conversion, read the integer by skipping leading zeros until non-digit character is encountered or the end of the string is reached. If no digits were read, then the result is 0. And rounding, we have to round this too because as if the integer is out of the 32-bit signed integer, then the round the integer to remain in the range. Okay, so let's see how we'll solve it. First recursion question. In this, like for example, I have string equals to एक space दूसरा space minus sign 1432 E4. Okay, this is the string. Let's have this as 0. Okay, now in this, we have to first, we have the condition of this. First remove white spaces, blank spaces. Second, find out the sign of the string. Third, then remove the leading zeros. And fourth, write the starting integer value. Like in this, the solution must be this. We can't go from this as this is the character. We have to return the value in the integer form 432 minus. And how we will do it? So see, like we have the function in solution. In this we have a string s. Okay, first we will initialize a value, define a value sign. If there is no sign, then that means it's plus positive, and index I equals to 0. Then we have to find this index. What is the index of this value? Okay, for this we will make first we will go through our while loop. I value index is less than of size of the string, and s of I and the value of the string is equals to space, then I plus plus. By this we will reach here on this value, and then we will go through the next value. If this value is positive is negative, s of I is equals to minus or positive. We can also make it like this. Then we have to check if it is negative. Then if it is negative, then sign is equals to -1. Otherwise, it's already positive. Then third, this done, then I on this, sorry, I on this value 0. Then we have to remove the leading values. For this, again while loop, I less than of s dot size or plus increment I index of the here for next value y, and then s of I is equals to 0, then I plus plus. Now we are here. Now we have to find this value. Now how we will find this value? For this we have to make a loop int helper loop. That's a recursive loop. It is a recursive loop. As this is the recursive topic, we can make it. We can do this by another method too, but let's stick with the recursion. For string, we pass the string by address, so it won't take extra memory. As and for the address, index I from where the count integer value start, long of result, which is 0 right now, and then sign. Now for recursion, first we have to set the base value. Now base, what is the base value? Now base value, if size is greater than equals to s of size, I index is last value greater than of last value and greater than last value, or if that value is not a digit. This could be also a possibility. This will return if the value is 0 to 9. Then return sign into result. Now how will find the result? Result is equals to result, like this was the value 143 e 04. Okay, we have to find this value. So for this value, this was in the string 2, star into 10, result into 10 plus s of I minus of 0. To change any character of the string, we have to minus it with 0. So it will minus the address of it, address sky value of it, then it will return the count value. Now the 1 is in, now this value will return 1 and it's an integer. Okay, now we have found the result, but here we have to check one more thing, as if the as here like fourth value in this fourth topic, rounding, like integer could also go out of the bound, so we also did like if result into sign is greater than equals to int of max, then return int of max. In the same way, if result is less than or equals to int of min, then return int of min. Otherwise, again call helper function with next value s comma I plus 1 comma result comma sign. So that's all. So this is the solution of this question. Let's see this code. I've already did the code, but let's see it again. Like index, sign for the first white spaces, for second signedness, for conversion, for like zero leading zero, removing leading zeros, then helper function calling. In this base value, base condition, then result, I have to check the bounding, rounding point, and then again recalling. So this is the recursion here. Let's submit it and show you guys. So see, it's already done. So let me tell you its time complexity and space complexity. So its time complexity is, we go through a loop again and again and again. And then here the time complexity is O of n. And space complexity is O of n of the stack values takes place. That's all. I could be wrong too. Let's check it then. Maybe I can be wrong here. But I guess I'm pretty much right. But where n value is the size of the um n value uh, size of the this value, like here remaining count values for 4 2. So that's all. We will see that further. I will update you in another video about this its time complexity. That's all. Thank you so much. Please like my video and support me. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.